If you have seen our YouTube videos on when you should buy, you might have realized we're always telling you should buy or you should sell, you should do something. But there are certain circumstances where you should not buy or sell. And in this video, I talk to you as a buyer when you should not buy. So you should not buy if you feel like this with your mortgage. If it's very tight on your monthly spendings, because if something breaks in your apartment or maybe in the communal areas, you don't have the money to pay for it. That's very important commercially. You can avoid that with a structural surveyor and with talking to us before you buy. The second reason why you should not buy, if the area is not right for you. So if you have made a compromise and if you realize the area is far too away from where I am commuting to work, there's a problem, so you have picked the wrong location. You cannot change the location. So please be picky on the location, make more compromise on the size of your apartment. Rather take a small apartment in the right location than a big apartment in a location which is not really working for you. So these are the two major problems you should not buy. First of all, you can't afford it, and second of all, it's in the wrong location.